So, welcome back to another video. Basically these holidays we've been in lockdown the whole time, stage 4. We can only go out for 2 hours. I haven't been able to film a creative process episode because of this, which is annoying, but it has given me a chance to go out, shoot for my new project, film that I'm working on, and then come back and edit. But it's annoying because, you know, filming these creative process episodes is what I like doing. It means I've basically had to make all my videos inside, sitting at this desk. But today I'm getting back into it, which is a good thing. I'm looking forward to it. So today I'm going to go explore an old abandoned military base near my house with Aidan, and I'm going to take this camera along and sort of record whatever happens. There's a ton of cool stuff in there, some really cool things to document, so I thought I'd take this camera along, record whatever happens. I'm sure something interesting will happen, and yeah, then just come home, talk about some of the shots I got, and that's going to be the video. Also, quick little disclaimer thing, I don't recommend you go into these places. It's pretty dumb, and it is technically against the law. I think it's like trespassing or something, and the place we're going today does actually have active security, so you know, just I don't want to be responsible for anyone getting a fine or something. Do it at your own risk. Anyway, with that all out of the way, I'm going to pack my bag now, ride my bike down to Aidan's, and then we're going to make our way into the base. And yeah, it should be a sick day. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be fun.
I got it. There was a legit ship about that big.
Alrighty, we are at the spot now. We're just waiting, and then we're going to go in the hole, in the fence all the way down there. You know, this is the sketchy part. We're basically hardened criminals, but we're just going to wait a bit and then head on in. There's a woman watching us right now. God damn it. Alright, so they patched the fence, which means we can't get in this way. So we're going to go back to Aidan's house, hop on the bikes, and then basically ride around to the other side and hopefully find a way in down there.
If I die in there, the code's
Alright, take 2. This is about half an hour later. We went, got some water, some sunscreen on because sun protection is very important these days. Yeah. Really don't want to be getting melanoma, but we're at another entrance now, which is much closer to the building we want to get into today. So we're going to make our way through. I'll set up the Ronin S, get the GH5 in it, and then yeah, see what kind of shots we get. So we're going to go through now, and I'll speak to you guys when I'm in there next. Good. Rip Little Peep, my favourite musical artist. We are in the building now. We're just about to make our way down. We're going to shoot a bit in the hallway now. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but holy shit, this is creepy. It's super dark in here, so it's really dark in here, but I've got the 25mm on this camera, so hopefully should be able to pick something up, and I'll get my head torch out and hopefully get some good shots. Yeah, so just walk towards the basically.
a lot safer at the top, I think. Can we just act natural? How can we do?
Act natural.
We're in S and then we're not gonna get killed.
Is there a way down here? Are there people hiding?
I swear.
So basically what's happened is we heard a noise and we rushed up to the roof. We think that there's people.
So right down there and have a
I just packed up all of my gear. Basically, you don't know what sort of people are, in these places. So,
What are you looking for?
it's better to be safe than sorry. So, we're just going to make this out and see what happens. I don't know. We've got to run through all these dark hallways though to get out, which is not ideal if there's, people hanging around. So it's going to be interesting. Alright, so basically, we're going to head back down, try and get some shots in here. Yeah, we hope they're just kids. So yeah, let's hope for the best. That was so scary, holy shit. Let's like go the other way. I just want to get away from whoever's in here. Alright, so we're back home now. It's been a few days and that was hectic. Alright, so basically what happened was we were on the 3rd floor recording and then we heard some like noises on the 1st floor, the 2nd floor. It was like glass crashing and stuff, and I don't know, I sound like one of those YouTubers that are just clickbaiting, saying that people were there and trying to hype up a story, but it was definitely unusual and it was just a spooky place, yeah. So we got the creeps and we were just like freaking out. We ended up getting on that roof and then just staying there for a bit, trying to work out what we should do, and then we actually heard noises in the stairwell where we were. So we ended up going down one and sort of running to the end of the building and getting out that way, just to sort of stay away from whoever was in there. It could have just been kids, but there's crackheads, there's ice addicts, all those kind of people in those places, and we just wanted to play it safe. And because of that, this video didn't really turn out how I wanted it to be. Usually I like to have a lot more cinematic shots and sort of longer B-roll sequences in my video with less talking, but obviously didn't really do that today. I just sort of picked up the camera and recorded whatever happened. In saying that though, I still want to post this video just because it is an interesting story to tell. Even though it's not pretty, I'm still happy with it. I still think it's cool to look back on when I'm older. But in saying that, I did get one good photo and one good video in that corridor. I got this photo here and then this shot here. I don't know, it's pretty basic and sort of the first shot you would get in a place like that. It's not really that creative, it's just me walking backwards and Aidan walking towards the camera. But in the whole side of things, I think we did alright considering. Anyway, that's it from me this week. I do want to go back there and record a better video where I actually do get some better shots, but that's for another day. That's all from me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.